Hey, welcome to my channel Easy Art with Chirosri. Today I'm gonna draw a hen which is very easy. So children, what are you waiting for? Let's draw with me. At first, you have to draw the head of this hen, which is absolutely looking like you. Then you have to draw the body of this hen, which is looking like bee.
Then you have to do the tail and lips, wings, eyes and comb in his head.
And importantly, you have to do the legs. Without legs, the hen can't run. Do color according to this video. Hope you understand the easy process of making hen. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment.